How to make money with Facebook groups, Ultimate Guide. To make money, you need traffic. What a better way to reach thousands of people in a single click by posting to a Facebook groups. Today, we will show you how to make money with Facebook groups, even if you are not an owner of Facebook groups. You can just post to Facebook groups and make money. Best methods to make money with Facebook groups includes affiliate marketing, sell a product, earn per click, sell a service using SaaS, print on demand and many more. Other than this also there is a lot of ways to make money, but these are best and top 5 working methods. But all of this works by posting to a lot of Facebook groups. You can't just post to 1 or 2 groups and expect results. This does not mean you should spam groups. Posting to each and every one group might be a little time consuming and boring. This is why we have created a new software called Facebook Group Poster Pro. This software can post the same thing to multiple groups automatically once it's been configured. For the software, check description of this video. It has a free version and a paid one. 1. Affiliate marketing. In the affiliate marketing you will be promoting someone's product or service. And whenever someone clicks or buy a product or service using your affiliate link, you will get paid. Many of the products or services have an affiliate program, but as you will be using many affiliate products and service, it's advisable for you to join an affiliate network. Now I am sharing the best 2 affiliate networks that I have worked with. ClickBank, it's an affiliate network where you can find thousands of products to promote. CJ Affiliate, CJ is also one of the largest affiliate networks available online. These 2 websites might not have the products that your Facebook groups will be interested in. In that case go to the websites of the products and service that your audience will love, and sign up for their affiliate program. Mostly you can find their affiliate program details on their website. After registering to the affiliate program of a product or service, you will get an affiliate link. This is one of the easiest way to make money with Facebook groups. For other methods such as selling products or getting paid when someone clicks your link, click the link in description.